Hello, my name is Jiaming Zhang, and I would like to talk about my presentation about digital citizenship and the problems revolving around it. Digital citizenship. The term digital citizenship was starting to get around just a few years ago. This term basically means an individual's involvement with online activities. To be exact, there are 9 key elements to a digital citizenship. Digital security, electronic precautions to guarantee safety. Digital law, electronic responsibility for actions and deeds. Digital etiquette, electronic standards of conduct or procedure. Digital access, full electronic participation in society. Digital literacy, teaching and learning about technology and its use. Digital commerce, electronic buying and selling of goods. Digital communication, electronic exchange of information. Digital rights and responsibilities, those freedoms extended to everyone in the digital world. Digital health and wellness, physical and psychological well-being in a digital world. These 9 elements make us digital citizens. However, they can also be good or bad digital citizens. This is an example of a bad digital citizen. The person commented on the photo, "Ugliest bride I have ever photographed. Waiting the whole time. Bridezilla #1." This is an insulting comment, and this can also be classified as cyberbullying. Many people across the world are suffering from cyberbullying and they are victims of it. To put it in other words, a bad digital citizen is someone that does not follow the ethics of acting appropriately online. And other examples include plagiarism, hacking, stealing information and sharing with others, and other things that are considered quite unethical. These unethical acts happen all the time globally, but we are trying very hard to prevent this from happening. On the other hand, a good digital citizen. A good digital citizen demonstrates good behavior online and treats others appropriately. A good digital citizen reports to the authorities if they see something that they think is considered as cyberbullying or inappropriate on a particular website. These citizens also follow virtual guidelines for ideal behavior on the internet. Ethical issues and other problems. Children are abusing their digital privileges and not using technology for the right reasons. I mean, if they already know that stealing and bullying others is unethical in real life, why are they doing this in the digital world? Statistics are showing that 72% of schools have reported at least one incident of cyberbullying, and that is pretty serious. There is speculation that people are becoming too addicted to the internet, and this becomes a health and psychological problem as well. They are developing things like obesity and frustration and short temper. And these are just some examples. People are also developing poor physical habits from spending too much time online. This includes poor posture, looking at the screen too closely. But I believe the main issue is that children do not understand the consequences of bullying or cyberbullying or stealing information from others. I believe students are doing this because they think it is okay, and that is because they are not taught well. They are not taught the full consequences of their actions. Traditional methods of teaching digital citizenship. Casually teaching young children about digital citizenship via word of mouth. Provide written warning about consequences of commenting online. Warning students about the potential dangers of giving away their information to others. Just telling students to not share their information online is not a very effective method, as many students will still not listen. Here are my proposed approaches. Allow students to examine cyberbullying stories online, and ask students for their honest opinion and discuss it in class. I believe this will allow them to reflect on their personal values in the digital world. Integrating digital citizenship into the school's curriculum is a must. This involves having the government and the Department of Education to change policy for the benefit for the children. For instance, schools should encourage teachers to have dedicated lessons in schools to help them understand the consequences of their actions online. This will teach students to demonstrate ethical principles in a digital world. We should also be getting students to be involved in digital projects and activities with others and have them be supervised by the teacher. We should also make a song about acting appropriately online. This approach is quite beneficent if I say so myself. I mean, this promotes health and mental well-being of others. Mark Ribble stresses the importance that digital citizenship education is needed today, and I believe that too. This is because technology is rapidly changing and schools need to change their policy to ensure that students are prepared to use these tools for their potential future. By the way, did I say a song can help? Yes, I did. There has been research that integrating information into songs is quite an effective teaching method. Other teachers have used songs to teach science, and they believe it was quite effective. In the Governor Hall and Jackson 2013 text, some students have said that, quote, "It helped me learn, and the song really did get stuck in my head." This is because this teaching style allows children to have fun while learning. Songs can be catchy and therefore may unintentionally make the children remember certain words and sentences. Even though this method seems unorthodox, I believe that you should give this a go. Sometimes you may not know, it might actually work, and this may become an approach in the future. This is my reference list. I'm sorry I couldn't fit it into one page because it was too big, and if I did try to fit it in one page, you couldn't read the reference lists. But here it is, page 1 and page 2. Thank you to listening to my presentation, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.